Okay, how we doing out there in YouTube land? Today is Sunday, October 20th. We're in the middle of another ripping hot heat spell. I just got done installing my older, that's my new Medea 12,000 BTU window AC. And this time of the day, I'll just give you a peek out the window. It is absolutely ripping out there. We got a week of 100-degree temperature coming. It's just unbearable outside. I just got done taking my old unit, sticking it in my bedroom, and I got that little sucker all the way down. 65 degrees in here. That's a beautiful thing. It's normally like 75 degrees this time of the day with that one 12,000 BTU cranking. The sun is heating right here on this wall. Heating, heating and beating. So I should have done that a long time ago. That's the one that I damaged and repaired myself and got back up and running. What do you think, baby? Is it a good deal? That's a good deal. Yeah, just got done. Kind of kicking myself. I should have done that a long time ago. A couple months ago. Anyway, hope everybody's doing well. Just a quick update. That was my project for the day. And everything on this property inside the old barn dominium here in my grouse is nothing. There's nothing that's a standard install. So that took me about 6 hours. Wasn't expecting that, but it just got done and sure feels good. Alright, hope everybody doing good. I'm gone.